Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Harmony One. On a daily time frame chart, the price line of Harmony One has already broken out this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, it could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.5 and goes to 1.7 cents. And you can see that for the past several weeks, it is working as a very, very strong resistance zone. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone from 1.5 to 1.7 cents has been previously acting as a resistance zone here for several weeks, a month and resistance here and support here in the month of June 2022 as well. And here we also had a bounce on this support in the month of March 2021. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, every time when it starts any rally, it is getting rejected by this very long-term uptrend line resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of June 2025 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Bitcoin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 21st of June 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Harmony One. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that since after the month of November 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally the price line broke out the resistance. And after a short rally, the price line is rejected by this very long-term resistance line from 1.5 to 1.7 cents. You can see that for the past several weeks, it is getting rejected. In fact, when it was moving inside this wedge, even at that time, it was getting rejected by this resistance line. And if you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see previously it has been working as a resistance line here, support here, resistance here, support here, and support here for several weeks a month. And here in the month of Feb 2021, it was also working as support. And by the way, here it was also working as a resistance in the month of August 2020 as well. And by the way, almost here, we had another rejection in the month of August 2019 as well. Therefore, this is a very long-term resistance on that we need to break out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And now we are testing this very long-term and key support line that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this wedge, from this channel, and from this recent falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 4.7 cents. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance that has been previously working as support. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. You can see that we got rejection here, along with this very long-term uptrend line resistance as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 38 cents to 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.